Chapter 4, Poverty. Then in last lesson we studied about economic condition and before independence what happened, after independence what happened. These things we studied already. In this lesson we have to study about poverty. Okay, poverty and India's condition. Okay, we know poverty is a widespread evil in the world. It is a greatest challenge to the mankind. Okay, then we know lot of people are in a situation where they are not getting the minimum basic needs. The minimum basic needs include food, clothing, housing, education and health facilities. Okay, then poverty means it is a situation in which a section of the people in a country are unable to get the minimum basic needs. That one we are calling as poverty. Okay, then here we can see some pictures. See, here you can see some images. You can see from this image these children are facing like lack of malnutrition, like that problems these children are facing. Then how we can identify poor people? Okay, we know according to some economist or according to NSSO, we know rural areas are there, urban areas are there. Rural areas means village areas or remote areas, normally we are calling as rural areas, and urban areas. Okay, then landless agricultural labor households, which constitute about 60% of agricultural labor households. We know a lot of people who don't have land for agricultural purpose, and agricultural labor household with small holding of land, then non-agricultural rural laborers, then households without land holding, then small land operators with cultivatable land holdings. Like that, lot of people are there. Then we know these people, especially these related to agriculture, these people are in rural areas. In urban areas also, like that, poor people are there who are not getting jobs. Okay, means jobless people will be there, then pushcart vendors will be there, cobblers will be there, then beggars will be there, vendors will be there. Like that, lot of people are there in urban areas. Sometimes these people have jobs, sometimes they will not get jobs. Like that, lot of problems are there in urban areas also. The poor people possess few assets and live in huts, but the poorest of them do not even have such hut also. We know some people have hut also. Hut means small houses. Okay, some people don't have that one also. Okay, they will not be able to get a meal for a day. Like that situation is there, starvation is there, lack of basic literacy is there, lack of skills are there. These are the main features in poorest households. Okay, they have very limited economic opportunities because they didn't go to school, or they are facing illiteracy. Then normally people are illiterate. It's very difficult to get a job in urban areas. Then they are facing like unstable employment problems. Then malnutrition will be there. You can see in this picture, these children are facing malnutrition, ill health, disability makes the poor physically weak. Then these children will be physically also weak. The poor borrow money from money lenders at a higher interest rate that leads into chronic debtedness means they will take some amount as credit from money lenders, and it will lead to a lot of problem. They do not have bargaining power to get legal wages from employers, and they are exploited means these people are uneducated. They don't know to bargain about their wages. Okay, they use fuel wood and cow dung cakes for cooking. Then even though they do not have safe drinking water also, these are the main problems of these poor people. There is a gender inequality, that would also we know in education and in the case of employment. There is a gender inequality. Poor women receive less care on their way to motherhood. We know in pregnancy time and all, who are poor, they are getting very less care. Consequently, what will happen? Survival chance of children also very less. Okay, that is the main problem. Okay, that reason nowadays government is taking lot of measures for controlling these things. Okay, then we know in our daily life this poverty is a challenge. Okay, in our daily life. Okay, then here then poverty means they show that hunger and lack of shelter, that is the poverty. Poverty also means lack of clean water and sanitation facilities. We know poor people, they don't have proper sanitation facility. Then poor people are in a situation in which they are ill treated at almost every places. We know poor people are facing lot of problem. Then it also means lack of regular job at a minimum decent level. Okay, here you can see one small child. Okay, this child is facing like malnutrition problem. Okay, like that lot of problems are facing, means lack of nutrition, like that lot of problems are facing by poor people. Poverty is looked through other social indicators like illiteracy level, lack of general assistance due to malnutrition, lack of access to health care, lack of job opportunity, lack of access to safe drinking water, sanitation, etc. Analysis of poverty is based on social exclusion and vulnerability is now becoming very common. We know poor people are facing lot of problem like malnutrition, lack of access of health care, lack of job opportunity, lack of analysis, lack of access to drinking water, sanitation. These are the main problems of poor people. Then there is a common method used to measure poverty is based on the income or based on economic consumption level. A person considered poor if his or her income consumption level falls below a given minimal level, then we can call it as they are in below poverty line. Okay, what is necessary to satisfy basic needs is different at different times and different countries. We know developed countries like America, Japan, like that countries, basic needs and necessaries will be different. Okay, then in different countries they are having different methods or different basic needs. The present formula for food requirements while estimating poverty line is based on calorie requirement. Okay, then the accepted average calorie requirement in India is 2400 calories per person per day in rural areas and 2100 calories per person in a day in urban areas. Then in rural areas minimum one person need to get 2400 calories, and in rural areas it is 2100 calories. In urban areas it is in rural areas it is 2400, and in urban areas it is 2100. Since people living in rural areas engage themselves in more physical work, calorie requirements in rural areas considered to be higher than urban areas. We know in rural areas physical work will be more, then they need to get more calorie. Then in rural area at least people are not getting 2400 per day minimum calories. If not getting means we can call them as in below poverty line. Okay, then in urban areas it is 2100 calorie, in rural areas it is 2400 calorie. Okay, then here you can see on table in 1973 it was in rural area it is 56.4 and urban areas it is 49 was there. Okay, in 99-2000 it is 27.1 and 23.6 combined 26.1. Okay, then rural areas it is in millions on 93 and urban areas it is 67 and combined it is 260. This is the condition of estimation of poverty in India. Then we can identify people as poverty line. How we can identify? In poverty line also poor will be there, very poor will be there, absolutely poor will be there. Okay, then in above poverty line not so poor will be there, middle class will be there, upper middle class will be there, the rich will be there, the very rich, and millionaires and billionaires. This is the poverty line. Okay, then poverty line will be there. In poverty line absolutely poor will be there, very poor will be there, poor will be there. Then we know after independence planning commission was there. Then planning commission they were implementing lot of policies for improving these conditions, means completely for removing poverty. They were conducting lot of programs. Now this planning commission is known as Niti Aayog, NITI Aayog. This one Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog also taking lot of measures for removing poverty. Okay, then what is poverty line, that one we studied. Here you can see one picture. In this one you can see chronic poor will be there, transient poor will be there, non-poor will be there. Okay, here this is the poverty line. This one, these people who are in this this area, these people are in always they are in poor. Okay, like this means they are usually poor. This category we can call it as chronic poor, means they are in that condition only. They are means they are not getting proper food, means who are always poor for a long duration. It includes always poor and unusually poor people. Okay, means usually poor people. Okay, casual workers, especially belong to backward classes. These people who are always poor for long duration. Okay, next one is transient poor. We can see here that one is turning poor and occasionally poor. That category is there, which include churning poor who regularly move in and out of poverty. Here you can see sometimes they are in poverty, sometimes they are not in poverty. Okay, then here you can see here they are okay, in here they are in poverty and here they are okay, like that. Means people regularly moving in and out of poverty. We can Example, small farmers and seasonal farmers. Occasionally poor who are above poverty line, but sometimes they become poor due to bad luck. We know agricultural farmers, sometimes flood will come, like that problems will come, then they will go in poverty, and after that they will recover. Then some issues coming, or seasonal, suppose rainy season, like that some season coming, that time they will become in poor. That is the transient poor. Okay, that, like that people we are calling as transient poor. Then another one section is there, never poor. Okay, means who are non poor, they have good job, they have employment, they have good salary, like the people we are calling as non poor. Okay, then chronic poor is there, transient poor is there, non poor is there. These are the categories of main poor people. Okay, then chronic poor means always poor, in that category always poor and usually poor. Transient poor means it is turning poor and occasionally poor. Then non poor means never poor. Okay, this one is the different categories of poor people.